Hi, welcome back to the channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Hope everybody's all good and doing well. So I'm doing okay. So in this next video, I'm going to show you some of the quick shots on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So this is it here, the Mini 4 Pro. So I've had this now for a few months now. An amazing drone this is, the Mini 4 Pro. Really good image quality and everything like that. So what I'm going to do, we're just going to have a look at some of the quick shots that come with this drone, and quite a lot of DJI drones that are about now. So let's just dive in and have a look at the quick shots. Okay, so this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro on a night flight. So just look at the quality on this. So this is just low light night vision. So the first quick shot I'm going to show you is the drone which is coming up now. So this is the drone. So this is the drone. So you can see where it's showing you all of the, behind you and everything like that. So that's a really good shot to use when you're doing filming. Also, here's another night shot with the low light with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So yes, look at the quality on that. So yes, this is a really good drone at night as well. Just wanted to show you some shots that I've done as well as showing you the quick shots. So yeah, this is what it's like at night on a low light. So the next shot I'm going to show you is a helix. So this sort of just spins round and then comes back to you. So this is a really good drone shot as well. So it's the helix. So yeah, that's a really good shot as well for filming as well. So here's another shot. So this is in the daytime. So it's just really good quality on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Really impressed with it as well. So I'm just doing a little circle shot. And I think the wind catches it a little bit here. Oops. But yeah, really impressed with this drone. Really good quality. So the next quick shot that's coming up is just going to be a close circle shot. So it's coming up now. So this is it here. So it's quite close to me. So it's just a basic circle shot. This is a good shot you can use in your videos as well, but you can spread that wider if you wanted to. Here it is again, the Mini 4 Pro. So it's just going over this water here. So yeah, it's a really good capable drone as well. It can handle the wind okay as well, so it's not going to be as wind resistant as the Air 3, but it's still a good drone for the price and the size of the drone. So just showing you just some shots that I've done with this drone as well, because like I said, I have had it for about 3 months now and I'm enjoying it. So yeah, really good quality drone. So the next quick shot is called a boomerang. So this is coming up now. So this is like a boomerang. So it sort of goes away and then comes back down to you. So as you can see, it's going behind me, and then it will boomerang back down to where it started. So that's a really good shot as well. Again, this is the
shot that I'm doing here, just a bit of a circle shot. Just wanted to just break the video up, not just show you quick shots that are available with this drone, but just the quality of it as well. So this little like skate park. So yeah, really capable drone, really good picture quality. So the next quick shot we're going to see is the rocket. So this just goes straight up and does a down shot on the object or person, as you can see, and then once it's done its shot it will return. So that's just a rocket shot, so that's a really good quick shot as well. And here's another flight out that I made as well. So you know, it's like a cityscape shot. So you've got all the cars, you've got the train track as well. So yeah, it's really good drone. So this is a nice like circle shot. You should see a train come down. I did catch a train come in as well. So this is just a little city shot that I did. As you can see in the top, coming down now is a train. So I think this drone is capable of professional work as well. If you've got some you know, work, or for clients, this could be used in a professional way as well. Obviously dependent on weather and wind, because obviously it's so light as well. So, but it can withstand the wind, but you know, just be careful when you do take it out, because it's not as wind resistant as the Air 3. So really good shots, really good. So the last quick shot is the classic asteroid. So this just goes up and stitches some shots together and then does a whirl. So that's it, DJI quick shot.